Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you the watermark tutorial on CapCut. So here you need to create the watermark text first. So you can use this a blank background like this. You can choose any color that you want. So I'm using blue. You can also use green screen or any other color, and then here click on your watermark text. I'm going to use this name of my channel, and then you can also change the font if you want. Go to style and choose shadow and click on the black color, and in here set the opacity into 100 and set the blur into 15, and then click on the check icon, and you can adjust the size, and when it's done just screenshot these. Okay, I'm going to open it in my gallery and edit the image. So I'm going to crop the watermark text like this. Click on the check icon, save, and go to your edits on CapCut. Here, for example, I want to add watermark into my project in here, and then here just click on overlay and add the text that you saved before, here the watermark text, and then after that go to chroma key, click on cutout, chroma key, and move the chroma key into the blue color. Set the intensity into 1, just 1 like this, and the shadow into 100 like so. Click on a check icon and then place it in anywhere you want. Next, just go back and then go to splice, choose overlay like this. Click on the check icon and can adjust the size and also the place to the anywhere the place to place the watermark. So here is the watermark text. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, like this video, and also click on thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.